Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ellie Krieger cookbooks are probably one of the most sought-after resources for health-conscious home cooks seeking delicious and nutritious recipes, offering a wide variety of options that cater to diverse dietary needs and preferences, making meal planning a breeze with its balanced and flavorful dishes, and providing a fantastic opportunity to explore a world of culinary possibilities while prioritizing your well-being. Number 5. So Easy Recipes. Introducing So Easy, your guide to creating luscious and healthy meals. It's packed with recipes for every day of the week, making healthy eating simple and enjoyable. Start your day with a nutritious and delicious breakfast. It's easier than you think with our simple and quick recipes. Discover exciting and healthy lunch ideas. These recipes are perfect for busy weekdays and will keep you energized throughout the afternoon. Enjoy satisfying and healthy dinners without spending hours in the kitchen. It offers a variety of recipes to suit every taste. Satisfy those cravings with healthy and delicious snacks. It provides a range of options to keep you feeling full and energized between meals. Simplify your week with easy-to-follow meal plans. It takes the guesswork out of meal preparation, saving you time and effort. What we like. It provides simple and healthy recipes for every meal of the week. This is perfect if you need a structured meal plan and want to eat healthy without spending hours in the kitchen. If you're looking for a straightforward approach to healthy eating, this cookbook is for you. What people say. My first recipe that I made from this blew my socks off. It was made using plain Greek yogurt, canned red salmon, fresh dill, lemon zest and juice, mayonnaise, minced scallions, chilled bowtie pasta, salt and pepper, on a bed of romaine lettuce. I mixed up the dressing in the food processor, then mixed in the scallions, pasta and salmon, put it on the lettuce and wow. Was it good? Better even than the ingredients sound. No oil or vinegar even, but a great tasting creamy dressing nonetheless. Many recipes use Greek yogurt, which I love. I made the recipe for cold cucumber soup using Greek yogurt and it's delicious. 4 cups of Greek yogurt with 1 peeled cucumber, fresh dill, mixed up in the food processor, and some chopped tomato on top. It doesn't get easier than this. We've made only about 10 of the recipes in this book. They are beautiful and taste like something you'd receive at a 5-star restaurant, but really are very simple to throw together. I've made the wheat berry salad with lemon cumin chicken so many times I can throw it together in 15 minutes. These recipes are phenomenal. They're not your standard meat and potatoes, variation of a recipe you've already tried. They are new and inventive. As a dietitian and nutritionist, I am always interested to read about what colleagues are writing about and publishing. Although I have actually not gotten around to cooking anything from the book yet, the recipes certainly read beautifully, not too many ingredients, easy methods to follow, and all the nutritional information nicely stacked on each page with a little intro about the recipe. Not all recipes are photographed, but when you read a recipe and in your mind can see what it will look like and imagine what it will taste like, it must be good. Number 4. Healthy Meal Prep Cookbook. This cookbook is your guide to healthy eating, offering simple recipes that are easy to prepare and perfect for busy lifestyles. Learn how to plan your meals efficiently and enjoy delicious, nutritious food every day. It simplifies the process of meal preparation. You'll discover time-saving techniques and strategies to make healthy eating a breeze. It focuses on fresh, wholesome ingredients, ensuring that every meal is packed with nutrients. Discover new flavor combinations and healthy alternatives to your favorite dishes. It provides a wide variety of recipes to suit every taste and dietary need. From quick lunches to hearty dinners, it has something for everyone. It's designed to help you prepare meals ahead of time, making healthy eating convenient and effortless. It's perfect for busy professionals, students, or anyone who wants to simplify their life. This cookbook empowers you to take control of your diet and make healthy eating a sustainable part of your life. Start your journey to a healthier you today. What we like. This cookbook is all about making healthy meal prepping easy. It's great if you're short on time but still want nutritious meals. If you value convenience and healthy eating, this is the one for you. What people say. Great recipes, helpful meal plans, less food waste, more free time throughout the week. The recipes used everything. The recipes in the book are so simple that making them gets faster and faster each time. The ingredients are also simple. I didn't have to buy anything out of the ordinary for these recipes. Number 3. Mediterranean Dish Cookbook. This cookbook is your passport to a world of fresh, flavorful recipes. It's filled with 120 bold and healthy dishes you'll want to make again and again. Discover vibrant tastes and exciting new combinations. It's a journey for your taste buds. Each recipe is designed to be both healthy and satisfying. You'll feel good about what you're eating. The clear instructions make even the most complex dishes simple to prepare. Anyone can become a Mediterranean cooking expert. With 120 recipes, it offers endless possibilities. There's something for everyone to enjoy. It's more than just a cookbook, it's a guide to a healthier, tastier way of life. Start cooking today. What we like. This cookbook is filled with delicious and healthy Mediterranean recipes you'll want to make again and again. It's ideal if you enjoy bold flavors and the Mediterranean style of cooking. If you're looking to explore the Mediterranean diet, this is a great choice. What people say. Superb, easy, healthy recipes with beautiful, colorful pictures. The recipes are simple, with few and carefully chosen ingredients. Photos are gorgeous and inspiring. The recipes are easy to make, use easy to find ingredients and are healthy. They can be adapted to suit your needs. Number 2. Whole-in-one meal kits. Tired of meal prep? It's time to simplify your life with complete, healthy meals. Whole-in-one makes it easy. This innovative system lets you create delicious meals in a single pot, with minimal cleanup. It's perfect for busy weeknights. Roast your favorite vegetables and proteins on a single sheet pan. It's a healthy and easy way to get dinner on the table fast. From savory stir-fries to hearty one-pan pasta dishes, it offers endless possibilities. Unlock your culinary creativity. Each recipe is designed to be both nutritious and flavorful. Enjoy wholesome meals without sacrificing taste. It's the perfect solution for busy individuals and families who want healthy, delicious meals without the fuss. Say goodbye to complicated recipes. What we like. It features complete, healthy meals that are cooked in just one pan or sheet. This is perfect if you want to minimize cleanup and cooking time. If you're looking for simple, healthy meals with minimal effort, this is the cookbook for you. What people say. The recipes are easy. I haven't found any with ingredients that require me to go searching in specialty stores, and I love the limited number of pots, pans, dishes that have to be cleaned after preparing these recipes. And the fact that they are nutritionally sound is just an added bonus. I love that the serving sizes are specific. The recipes don't just say serves for. Ellie specifically states how much each serving should be. 1 pita, 3/4 cup chicken, about 1 to 1/4 cups vegetables and 2 tablespoons sauce. If you are relying on the accuracy of the calories, or fat, or carbs, this is really helpful. Whole-in-one features innovative, colorful, easy-to-follow recipes, all in one pot, sheet pan, or skillet, that reinforce Ellie's motto of healthy meets delicious. I love that her dishes feature widely available ingredients with a focus on fresh herbs and vegetables. Number 1. Luscious Recipes. Welcome to a world of delicious and healthy eating. We'll show you how to create satisfying meals that nourish your body and delight your taste buds. Discover a collection of mouth-watering recipes designed for a healthy lifestyle. It's easier than you think to enjoy flavorful food while taking care of yourself. These recipes emphasize fresh, wholesome ingredients. They are packed with nutrients and bursting with flavor. Each recipe is designed with simplicity in mind. Even beginner cooks can easily follow along and create restaurant-quality meals. It's time to redefine healthy eating. These recipes prove that healthy food can be incredibly delicious and satisfying. These recipes are perfect for meal planning. They are versatile and can be adapted to suit your dietary needs and preferences. Cooking healthy meals doesn't have to be complicated. These recipes make it fun and effortless. What we like. This cookbook offers delicious and healthy recipes that satisfy your cravings. It's perfect if you want to enjoy flavorful food while maintaining a healthy lifestyle. If you like to indulge but want to stay healthy, this cookbook is a must-have. What people say. Every recipe I've tried is something I have added to my repertoire to be made again and again. This book is chock full of recipes that are tempting in both flavor and ease. All recipes come with very detailed nutritional information. I especially like the fact that she identifies each recipe as an excellent, at least 20% of the daily value, or good, at least 10% of the daily value, source of certain nutrients, both obvious, such as various vitamins, like A, C, and E, and less famous, such as molybdenum and pantothenic acid. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.